Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change chat theme on Instagram. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Now go ahead and open any chat box. For instance, I am opening this chat box. So what you're gonna do is click on that little profile icon and then click on that theme option, and from here you will be getting many themes and colors. For instance, I have chosen pizza, and as you can see my theme has been changed here. So this is how easily you can change your chat theme on Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.